Did Athena make the guacamole?
Yeah.
I'm just so confused.
Alright, this is not an instructional video, but I want to show you how it comes really packed in there. Don't use a blade because you might penetrate there and cut this out. So today we're going to set this up today and let you know how long it took me to complete it. But I'm not going to show you step by step how to complete it or anything. This is not a tutorial. I'm just going to show you the final product, how it works, and how it looks. All right, just to let you guys know, this is about an hour's worth of investment on my time on these two pieces. All right, this is the hardest part. Now, I did mess up on this one, meaning I didn't flip it right where these screws have to go in. So just make sure you're aware of that. All right, and all the holes are facing down. All right, and if you notice, this is one of the hardest parts. I kind of figure it out. The upside, the holes have to be upside, all right? So that's just in case you guys are gonna run into the same issue because that goes into this space upside down. This is the bottom base right now. So we're gonna set this up, the last part of it, well, one of the last parts, and just to let you know how far I got and what I ran into. The table took me about an hour and a half to put together. I did it myself. I did mess up in a couple of screws because I didn't follow the instructions right. The instructions are very easy to follow, but I normally try to do it myself sometimes. But this time I had to go back and actually retrieve the instructions and remove a couple of things and put it back to normal. So here's the actual table. Beautiful table. Now, the colors don't line up properly, but that's okay. It's a table. We're just going to eat out of it. We're going to drink out of it and enjoy it. So I'm going to show you how to expand it and open it up. Now, expanding it, very simple, and if you guys can see, I do have the instructions in here. The other part is included in here. You're gonna have to open it up, all right? So opening one side, and then open the other side, and then you gotta line up the actual rivets that are in here, all right? Closing it up, you could close it up a little bit closer, and there it is. Flat. Now it's going to give you another 2 feet of expansion. So if you're having Thanksgiving, larger family, larger meals, perfect table. Now it could hold up to 300 pounds, and yes, it could hold 300 pounds because it is very sturdy, very strong underneath of it. And if you guys are looking for a beautiful table like this, taking it apart, simple. Now, the feet comes with stabilizers, so you can adjust them if your floor is not even.